The new Corolla Cross. Fill it with friendship and family. The new Corolla Cross. Filled with life.
It is TV powered by World Sports Betting. It is times.co.za. It's Nedbank Cup time, 2025-2026 season. Kasi once you play Nedbank Cup, you must know ukuthi is season iya ekupheleni. So February now. Very soon, City March. Very soon, April, May. Then there will be that final of the Nedbank Cup. But namhlanje sadlala last 32. Beselofta Stadium where Sundowns just beaten Gomora yang aphe Alex ngamanqaka amabini kwelinye. Bobsin, alright, Mhlaba?
Right, Shane. All right.
I'm okay. I'm okay. Through to the last 16.
Yeah. No. Shane, ngibulise just domestic ke ngibulise utso, ngibulise no junior bro.
Umdlalo namhlanje Gomora masiqale ngeline up yakho namhlanje.
Yeah.
There were a couple of players bezidlala esigqibele udlala. Umshishi. There's been a lot of talk with Mshishi. Why Mshishi is not playing? Namhlanje he started the game. Do you still remember the COVID? Where abantu they were working from home, bengayi office ini. There was another player. Ebedla is working from home. Today he started the game. Riyad Peterson. 5 times. Is it 5 times or 6 times league winner?
Yeah, I think 6 times.
6 times league winner. Riyad Peterson.
Yeah.
Xa kuthethwa ngendoda esendaweni right ngexesha le right kuthethwa ngalaa ndoda buzini.
Yeah, no.
Well, benifuna sifocus kumshishi sikakhulu. Umbone njani namhlanje bobuzini before sicele nje ngomdlalo ukuthi ubone njani wona?
All right. Nation ngiyacabanga uma singangena ku-captain we-team umshishi ngiyacabanga ukuthi for me ube ne-game right because we all know ukuthi umshishi ubuya kuma-injury. Uthola ama-injury ngaso sonke isikhathi. So ama-minutes awatholile namhlanje ngiyacabanga ukuthi uyawadeserve ukuthi awadlale. Ngibonile umshishi kuba umdlali lo abiyela kulento engiyaziyo uyafuna uyalidemand umshishi uyafuna ukudlala kuma pockets so far angeke umjake expect more kakhulu umdlalo abiya kuma injury uyazi I game time Shane iya counter so ngiyacabanga ukuthi for me ucoach the way I'm introduce ngakhona sisombona kancane athola lawo ma minutes njengoba simjwayele
umdlalo overall for Sundowns wona bobusini xa songena kuwo ungaanalyze uthini
Shane ithi ngibongise qembu leMamelodi Sundowns Shane coach Cardoso for you win through la 16 Shane ngiyacabanga ukuthi okokucala nje ngakusho ngeteam efana neGomora Shane give credit kula Mama Chita technical team yabo the way ba approach le game ngakhona cishe bongathi kudlala igame ama team adlala ku Betway wonke abazange bafike ba behave njenge team ebuya mhlambe ku lower division ukuthi bazofika babhaka ibhasi into abangichaze ngayo ukuthi mabafika then bazamile ukuthi babe organized banga concede early against ama team afana nabo Sundowns nokubona ama team amancane when they play abo Sundowns they concede ama goal early and egcina kube ama goal amaningi so but for bona ukuthi bakwazi ukuthi baba absorb le pressure yeMamelodi Sundowns njengoba siyibonile ukuthi naye beyifika iloko inoka Shane but into engijabulisa ngayo ukuthi lamajita abahlala ngemuva awafuna ukuphuma kule defense yeSundowns ukuthi bafuna ukuyibamba kanjani njengoba sibonile nale goal abalitholile so Shane hamba lapha emuva uyabheka umdlalo ofana noMathebula the two center back bahlezi Shane bahlale nomdlalo ofana noShalulile abafuni ukumnikeza ichance because they know ukuthi uShasha uyistrike esinjani so uyabona ukuthi into abadila ngayo ukuthi guys asibavumele baye wide then uma baletha lamabhola thina sesizama ukuthi sicontest nabadlali abafana naboShasha and sibonile i-team efana neGomora idila ngalento leyo uShasha angabi comfortable eboxini baloko bampressa njalo bangamnikezi space so into engibonile ngeGomora ukuthi they understand ukuthi into ekumele siyenze ngiyabanikeza Shane even though uyabona baluze nge2-1 against iSundowns sekuye ngequality yalabadlali equality eMamelodi Sundowns compare yabadlali beGomora uyabona ukuthi ayifani Shane so kusho kona ukuthi badlalile badlali bafana i-team efana neGomora because sibukela igame emnandi Shane it's not like ukuthi no man siyobukela igame la khona igcina ibhora sibona amagoli abamaningi you understand so give credit kuleya team ukubuya izo compete ngiyacabanga ukuthi ama team akhona ku Betway abona ukuthi sometimes hayi ngaso sonke isikhathi kumele upake ibhasi mawudlala nalama team try ukuba attack abanama mistake
Yeah.
bheka the way uma lentwana umpho le pressing abayenze lapha ku Khoza made a mistake but the pressing also give credit ku opponent
Yeah.
because mabaceda alwina la ball good finisher decision making uyambona ukuthi uvalela ngaphandle uya equalizer lo yamdlala so kusho kona ukuthi kumele ukuthi kube nama team afana nalawo abakwazi ukuthi mazidlala nalama team sidlala kanjani nabo so ngiyacabanga ukuthi Gomora for me idlale kahle even though iluzile Shane idlale kahle kule game.
And that goal also, particularly confidence, because after they scored, they started believing, even though in reality we knew from the start that the Sundowns would be too much for them. But that goal for them, yeah, but nigga confidence where they started now opening up because they knew what Sundowns is too much. But scoring against Sundowns also, not just scoring a goal, an equalizer, it brought the confidence, Kuba.
Ibanikezile confidence Shane ubonile ukuthi bebazama after nalela goal ukuthi akusiyi team ukuthi izothi icede ithi asihlaleni siye mhlawumbe extra time sizoya kuma penalty beba organize Shane laba badlala emuva so into engichazile ngabo ukuthi bebakwazi ukuthi yini into abafuna ukuyenza mangabe bafuna ukuphuma kule team.
Utsiki Ntabeleng
Yeah.
played also namhlanje.
Yeah, good performance for Utsiki. The way ngibona ngakhona uNchabeleng udlale kahle kakhulu Shane. Uma ungabheka akhona ama attempt awayenzile umdlalo ofana noTsiki. The way beba interchange ngakhona nomdlali ofana noLitlhaku kule position. Sometimes omunye yeza uzodlala wide and into abangichazayo emadlala ngapha ka right ukuthi enzeni uma akhatha in decision making bakwazi ukupick a spot. Sibona ugoalkeeper unqumalo weGomora wenza ama save. Very good goalkeeper Shane. Angeke ngihlale ngayimention distributor right unfortunately height yamshaya Shane mawungambheka leyo goalkeeper but the way angakhona uyambona ukuthi unayi timing uyasipositiona ngendlela right so abadlali bafana boNchabeleng ngiyacabanga ukuthi badlalile Shane ucoach uzamile ukuthi azame ukwenza ama changes a rotate laba badlali mhlawumbe abanikeza lawo ma minutes but for me abazange babe ne bad game bona nabo Litlhaku I think they played very well abadlali bafana bomkhulisi the likes of uJaden I think uJaden udlala kahle kakhulu Shane today ngiyambona ube ne assist esimbona inikeza umdlalo ofana noMrena so ngiyacabanga ukuthi into abayenzile into mhlambe ngicabanga ukuthi kulama game bekumele badlale but enye into engicabanga ukuthi mhlambe ucoach bekumele ayenzile kulama game afana nalawo you can bring abadlali abafana noPasading abadlali ongeke ubadinge njengoba ufuna ukudlala boCAF Champions League simbona ngeke abafese mlethe adlale leyo game uthatha uObri mbeke ngaphandle but Obri bene game right simbonile letha ama crosses ayenza ama box entries and uma afika ufuna umdlalo ofana noShasha because ubona iadvantage ukuthi lo goalkeeper mfishana ngeke akwazi ukufika lapha ebholeni so ngiyacabanga ukuthi ne right back ye Sundowns today udlalisa Obas out of position even though akazange abe ne bad game but mongambheka uObas going forward beyangamnikeza nix yes kunala khona letha ama ball eboxini but most of the time udinga lo mdlali ozoba sure ngaye going forward ukuthi ukunikeza in so wenze sub waletha umrena wa change game yonke lento wa change umrena wasinikeza something recovery going forward siyambona uyabuya futhi ukhatha in uyenza ama box entries so ngiyacabanga ukuthi bekumele aqalile umrena kule position because he right back ebekhona lapha ebenchini so asazi ukuthi ucoach ucabangani but mina ngendlela ngibona yakhona that's why Obas agcine wamletha because of akasinikeza nix going forward into ekhona mhlambe ukuthi abe ne recovery asdefendele
Le mdlalo namhlanje ucoach Cardoso usuka kwigame ebekhe waluza khona against Al Hilal now he's just redeem himself kwi FA Cup yalapha South African football so umdlalo namhlanje win namhlanje baleke ngakanani for ucoach uCardoso
baleke kakhulu Shane because khumbula ukuthi two ama trophy ahambile Shane asescotini njengoba sikhuluma so ku Nedbank kumele ukuthi abe khona lapha kulama finals we Nedbank because under pressure coach Cardoso because if you are failing to win amanye ama trophy kumele ukuthi manje seyintaba ibe into for wena ukuthi kumele win iCAF Champions League win ileague so ibalekile le Nedbank Cup for yena ngiyacabanga Shane ukuthi abanye abadlali iconfidence bayayithola igame time ama minutes ukuthi babe ready for lama game mhlamba afana neLeague ama game afana nayo iCAF Champions League ukuthi babe khona so ngiyacabanga ukuthi ibaleke kakhulu for yena Shane ucoach Cardoso le game eNedbank.
Bobson, thank you so much for your analysis. Umdlalo ke we Nedbank Cup last 32 nalapho ke Sundowns Tears bekele indawo ke kwi last 16 bethi Gomora ngo 2-1 eLoftus Stadium. Sundowns 2 Gomora 1. Thank you so much for watching iDiski TV.
Hola bafethu, this is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to iDiski TV.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe iDiski TV.